What happens when a holder of a joint bank account without survivorship clause dies? That's a topic for discussion today in the Market Secrets investment series. Before we get started, I'd like to mention that Market Secrets had recently launched Algo Traders Program ATP. If you are someone who is interested in learning end-to-end algo trading, then you can consider joining our ATP program. I'll leave the link to it in the description section of this video. And with that note, let's jump into today's session on what happens when a joint bank account holder dies and the account doesn't have a survivorship clause. So let's start with assumptions. Okay, so this is a joint account held by two people, and one of the account holder dies and the other one is alive, and there is no survivorship clause in the document. Okay, so these are the assumptions. Now, what are the documents required to make the claim? First one, the account holder's death certificate, and you also need the KYC document of the surviving joint holder, and also you need the KYC document of all the legal heirs of the deceased. So you need KYC document for all of these people, and you need the bank details of the surviving holder and also all the legal heirs of the deceased. And finally, you need to submit the application form or the letter. So you need to submit all these documents to the bank. And now once you submit the application to your bank, the bank should process this particular application within the 15 days deadline. And when it comes to the application process, there might be minor differences between each of these banks. All you have to do is so fill the application and submit it along with the proof. The bank should settle this within the next 15 days. Now when it comes to the responsibilities, right, the money will be split and it will be paid to survivors and also all the legal heirs of the deceased. So now this becomes bank's responsibility. So bank will have to split the money and it needs to pay to the remaining joint account holder or the survivor of the joint bank account holders, because one person of the joint account is still alive, right? So he will get one part, the other part will go to the legal heirs of the deceased person. So that is how the bank will split the money and they'll settle it. So this is what happens when a holder of a joint bank account without survivorship clause dies. Okay, so with that we have come to end of today's episode. If you have any queries, comments or feedback about this episode, leave it down in the comment section. I'll be happy to address it. Also hit the like button if you have liked this video and share it with your friends if you find it useful. Also subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video, conduct a live session. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Goodbye.